Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the 1 TB Type-C SSD speeds of the read and write copy test in the OnePlus 8T versus the Realme X7 Pro device. So this is a Realme X7 Pro is the premium smartphone from the Realme, so which is going to launch soon, and this is a OnePlus 8T device. So both phones, they're having the different kind of UFS storage. The one which is present in the OnePlus 8T is of UFS 3.1 read and speed storage, and in the Realme X7 Pro, which has got UFS 2.1, so that is a little bit slower than the OnePlus 8T device, friends. So even though the Realme has a premium end smartphone, but still in the UFS category, it lies a little bit close to mid-range segment mobile phones. So I do have this kind of Type-C SSD, which is of 1 TB, 1 terabyte of the SSD, so which is very small and portable for the 59 grams only. So right now I'll try to test the copying speeds between these both phones, and in case if you want to download this live wallpaper, so make sure to check the links in description. So quickly let me try to open the application which is a CPU X, so where you can see the exact information about the UFS storage. As you can see, friends, the Realme X7 Pro has a UFS 2.1 and OnePlus 8T has a UFS 3.1, as you can see. So you might be able to think there is only a little bit of difference between both of these UFS, but that little bit makes lot of sense if you are copying the files, so from the phone to SSD or from SSD to the phone. So this makes a lot of sense, friends. So right now in this test, I'm gonna copy the same folder in both the phones to demonstrate you which phone has a better read and write copy speeds, and how much difference will it be there between the UFS 3.1 versus the UFS 2.1 smartphone. So let's compare both phones side by side, friends, and quickly don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of the Realme X1 Pro and the OnePlus 8T as well. So let me try to start the copying speeds. First, let me try to do in the OnePlus 8T device. So this is a OnePlus 8T smartphone which I will be trying to connect first, and is a 1 TB SSD is connected. As you can see, friends, this is a 1 TB SSD right now connected, and let me try to open the SSD. And right now, first let me try to copy this testing folder, and the sizes of the testing folder is of 8.83 GB. And right now I'll be trying to copy the SSD from the this hard drive to the mobile phone. So let me try to copy it. Let me go to the home, and let me try to select the internal storage, and let me try to paste in the internal storage. So try to observe the speeds, friends, exactly in the beginning, how much it will be there in the first. So 326 and 342 Mbps, as you can see, friends, 347, 333, 324. So 8 GB of file, as you can see, friends, it took I think it took close to 20 seconds, I think it might take. So 8.83 GB size, you can clearly see here, and 274, 271, 268 Mbps. The speed is decreasing, but overall it took close to 30 seconds of time. So by the time it finishes, as you can see, just 30 seconds to copy 8 GB of file, friends. That's a really good huge file. That's a copying speed. And from the SSD to the phone, so this was the speed. So now let me try to do the same thing in the Realme X7 Pro. Copy the same folder to the mobile phone, and let me try to show you what will happen, how much speeds you can expect in this Realme X7 device, X7 Pro smartphone. Let me try to show you the settings as well. Exactly, as you can see, Dimensity 1000 plus. So this is a Realme X7 Pro device, and this is a folder. So let me try to delete first this folder from this Realme phone, and that folder is deleted, and let me try to copy the folder. So I'm trying to copy the same 8 GB of size folder, going to the home and going to the internal storage. I'm trying to paste in the internal storage of this Realme phone. So this is a Realme X7 Pro device, and you can see the speeds are up to 43 Mbps only. So just observe, friends, a OnePlus 8T which has UFS 3.1 versus a 2.1. This is the speeds you will be expecting. So as you can see, so 43 Mbps, and whereas the UFS 3.1 phone has got close to 300 Mbps of speeds. That's a really huge difference. So 30 seconds took in the OnePlus 8T, and 3 minutes it's gonna take in the Realme X7 Pro. So this is what the difference you can expect between the both of the devices, friends. So as you can see here, so it's trying to copy, so 43 Mbps. So once the file is copied, again I'll be back to show you that or what will be the speeds from the phone to the SSD. So in the first step, we finished copying from the SSD to the phone, and we got to know 300 Mbps and 43 Mbps here. And next step is to see from phone to SSD from each device. So let's see, friends, what will be the results in that case as well. So the file has been successfully completed copying in the device from SSD. So now let me try to do the same thing. I'm trying to copy the file from the phone. So same folder with 8 GB of size, so 8.83 GB. So let me try to copy it, and let me try to go to the SSD storage, and this is the SSD, and let me try to paste it here. So let me try to select another folder which doesn't have any of those. As you can see, this is a SSD folder which doesn't have anything. So from phone to the SSD, I'm trying to copy, friends, and the speeds you can see here. Even this phone did reach close to 300 Mbps of speeds, but reaching the maximum, it's not the achievement, but continuously keeping that constant speed is a good thing. But right now, as you can see, immediately it did decrease to the close to 70 Mbps. Within next 10 seconds, it got decreased. So 68. So I'm looking for that constant stable Mbps where it will be ideal. So before it was 43. So now let's see, friends, where it will be there. I think close to 40 Mbps. 40. So these are average speeds, friends. So 43 and 40. So this is a score for the Realme X7 Pro device. So I think after this one, it did not decrease anything more than that. So this should be good. And let me try to cancel this one. Let me try to delete the same thing here. And now let me try to copy the same thing from the OnePlus 8T to the SSD. So this can be quite confusion, but if you understood this, then definitely, friends, you will know the importance of the UFS 3.1 storage speeds. So these are SSD here. So let me try to select the internal storage, copy the test one, and go back to the home screen and go back to this SSD, and let me try to copy in this folder notification. Let me try to select another folder, so which is the podcast. So let me try to copy here. So I'm trying to paste it. So from phone to SSD, I'm trying to do it. So initially it was close to 500 Mbps of speeds. So 382, 392, as you can see, 391, 392. So it's trying to remain exactly like 391, friends, as you can see here, friends. So these are copying speed from the phone to the SSD. So this is too much fast, as you can see, 391. So done. As you can see, friends, so this took only I think 15 seconds. So before it took 30 seconds, now it took only 15 seconds. So these are comparison, friends, side by side between the OnePlus 8T versus the Realme X7 Pro. So for more this kind of comparison, make sure to subscribe to my channel, SciTech Guru. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.